subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched the successor of the last year launched Vivo T2 Pro smartphone in India as Vivo T2 Pro, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo T2 Pro features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus curved AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1300 nits of peak brightness support. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset, paired with Mali G610MC4 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using extended RAM 3.0 technology, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo T2 Pro sports a dual-camera setup on the rear that includes a 64-megapixel main camera with f1.79 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13, based on FunTouch OS 13 skin on top, and it is backed by a large 4600 mAh battery, with 66 watts flash charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes a large VC liquid cooling system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.1 by 74.8 by 7.36 millimeters, and it weighs around 176 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo T2 Pro has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 23,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 24,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from September 29th, in New Moon Black and Dune Gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo T2 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.